There are tools and ways that we can learn from this to help us build our resilience and our mental health toolkit.
The Canadian Mental Health Association has designated May 3rd to May 9th as Mental Health Week. At a time when mental illness is more prevalent than ever, it is important to be aware of the stigma that affects so many of us. Clinical psychologist Dr. Joanne Unger says experiencing COVID-19 has brought all of us to a new level of understanding of the effects of mental health.
I think it's something we often take for granted in terms of taking care of ourselves. Often we do a lot of things very naturally that take care of our mental health, but particularly in times of stress and difficulty, it's something that's really important to pay attention to and something we should all be thinking about and, thinking about what are the things that help me to take care of my mental health.
Thursday saw Manitoba's highest daily case count since December, 363 new cases, with a staggering majority, 263 of the new cases in Winnipeg. The uptake in cases, Dr. Unger says, is a definite disappointment and is beyond discouraging for people to see.
I think a lot of us were thinking about seeing a light at the end of the tunnel in terms of spring coming, the vaccines coming, and so seeing that upward take in case numbers can be disheartening for folks. For other folks, it can feel, folks can have a higher rates of anxiety in terms of worry about what the future will bring. And so those are some of the things that we can be affected by those numbers for sure.
As we embark on Mental Health Week across Canada, Dr. Unger says it's important to try and stay as positive as you can and that we all get through this together.
Staying connected to our friends, our loved ones, our family, whatever that means for us, and seeing how we can support each other. And I think that's one of the best ways, I think, right now that we can help ourselves both individually and as a community get through the other side.
In Winnipeg, Alex Carpet, City News.